Hello everyone, this is Sahil Atri from Mobility Solutions. I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I've brought to you Honda CR-V that we have made wheelchair accessible for a wheelchair user. And in this video, we are going to show you all through how this modification looks and what are the benefits and use of these modifications. Also, where you can find us and what kind of services we are providing and what kind of adjustments we have made in this car for a wheelchair user to sit very comfortably inside this car while being on the wheelchair without shifting from their wheelchair, and that is the whole point of this modification. So let's see how it looks. Using these ramps are very easy. Let's see how. First, you'll open the boot with its original functioning to access the ramp, and there you'll see a foldable ramp with two locks which can be unlocked and locked like this. Then by handles, you'll bring the ramp down towards the ground, and then it's ready to use. And this is how you can take a wheelchair inside the car. We have also provided anti-skid on ramp to avoid any slippage. We leave at least 3 inches of headroom for a wheelchair user. This is how the interior of the car looks. We have leveled the floor and made it even for a wheelchair to stand properly. There's matting, restraints, safety belts, a proper locking mechanism for a wheelchair. This car has sunroof, so we saved it too, and without hampering its functionality. On our customers' demand, we have also installed 2 side glasses on the increased height to avoid claustrophobic environment for the wheelchair user. A recliner side seat for the attendant is also installed. And all the things in the first row like dashboard, steering, gearbox, infotainment, instrument cluster, driver's seat, co-driver's seat, etc. is just like before and totally intact. And here again with the images, 4 imported restraints are installed for wheelchair safety. And for roof we have provided easily washable material headliner which is totally similar to the original one, in texture and even in appearance as well. I hope I was able to show you everything in this video related to this modification, and I request you to please share this video with those who actually need these kind of services, and subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. And guys, if you really find this video informative in any ways, please give it a thumbs up and support us. We really need it to bring forward this work and help as many people as possible. So if anyone has these kind of requirements, do give us a call. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.